Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sulaiman Trishawal from 11 Science 5, Absent 24. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a graphic card into your personal computer. First of all, you need to unlock the PCIe slot clip. Second, hover the graphic card over the PCIe slot. Third, push down the graphic card to slide into the PCIe slot. And then, screw the rear bracket. After that, you need to connect the PSU cables. And lastly, install the graphic card driver. Finish.